Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. We've got a very winter-like afternoon across the coastal bend. We've been playing games all January. Warm, cold, sunny, cloudy. We've got the cloudy and cold in place for today. Temperature around 51 degrees downtown at the marina. Now we've got northeast winds at about 13 miles per hour, so that's making it feel a good bit chillier out there. And of course, the gray skies aren't helping. Up there in Beeville, a similar situation where we're currently sitting at 52. You notice though the humidity and dew point, humidity down in the 50% and then dew point down there in the 30s. So that means we've got dry air that is in place, and that's why we're not seeing much in the way of rain coming from these clouds. Now, I want to show you the temperatures for tonight because temperatures really aren't moving all that much from where we are now. In fact, I expect Corpus Christi's low to be around 51 degrees, and most locations are going to be right there around that 50-degree mark, with the exception of a few areas to a few of our inland areas up there into the 40s, maybe Beeville around 45 degrees. As we get into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to warm up a good bit more than what we did today by a good 5 or 10 degrees. I think we're up to around 58 in Corpus Christi. Some of us may even hit the 60-degree mark, especially right there along the coastline with mid-50s further inland. Now, I want to show you what we've got going on the water vapor, because you see up here in South Texas, we've got a little bit of orange showing up. That orange is dry air in the atmosphere. Normally, when we have the dry air in the atmosphere, we don't have any clouds and we don't have any rain. Now, we do have clouds today because there's a very, very thin layer of moisture in the atmosphere that's allowing those very thin clouds to form, but it's not deep enough to produce rainfall. So with that dry air starting to move out of the region, look at what's coming. We've got all of this white and green showing up. That's lots of moisture, which is not only good for producing clouds, it's good for producing rain as well, and this is headed our way. So we do have a chance of rain in our forecast for tomorrow. So here's Future Tracker overnight tonight. You see, we mainly just keep the cloud cover around, but as we hit into the morning hours tomorrow, notice what's going on down to our south. We do see some rain beginning to pop up. It's all light rain. It's pretty patchy at that, but there is going to be the potential for it. Then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, we continue to kind of keep these spurts of rain going. It's all going to be light rain. I don't expect anything significant for tomorrow. It's just going to basically make the roads wet and be a nuisance if you're out and about. So here's Future Tracker as we go through the rest of the week. Notice that for tomorrow, we keep the cool and cloudy conditions around with that chance of rain, but we're going to watch an area of high pressure move to our east as we head into Wednesday, and that's going to start to bring in some humidity off the Gulf of Mexico. So that means by Wednesday, you're already starting to feel that humidity, and it only continues as we head into Thursday. We do have a cold front that actually moves into the state, but it's not going to move far enough south to reach us here in the coastal bend, so we stay warm and humid even on Thursday. With the rain chances for Tuesday and Wednesday, they're very low, and I don't expect much in the way of rainfall. You're going to do good to hit a quarter of an inch, but even then, I think many folks are likely to stay dry. So now it's time for your 7-day forecast, brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So we've got 2 days here of very low rain chances. We may squeeze in a little bit of sunshine as we head into Thursday, but the clouds are going to pretty much dominate as we head through the end of the week. Look at those temperatures warming up into the 70s for Wednesday and Thursday, up to 77 on Friday, and then a cold front shuts it all down on Saturday. Brings in another very slight chance of rain, but look at these temperatures starting at 69, but we're going to be in the 50s and 40s potentially by the afternoon, bringing in close to freezing conditions for the start of next week and a lunar eclipse next Sunday night. We'll talk all about that coming up on Action 10 News at 6. Sonia?